In this video, you are going to learn how to make Bhindi Masala at your home. Good morning, good afternoon or good evening whenever you're watching this video. This is AB from the Restaurant Academy. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to create Bhindi Masala in your home. First of all, what ingredients do you need? The first ingredient you need is okra or bhindi in Hindi. Second is salt. Third is turmeric, cumin seed, red chili powder, tomato puree with cashew in it, and last but not the least, onion. And for sure you will need oil to cook. So guys, let's go and we are going to cook today. So guys, make sure the flame is on medium heat. Afterwards, you are going to put oil. As we are using the restaurant one, just half a ladle. You can put oil in here. Just let it come down. You can check by putting one cumin seed if the oil is hot enough or not. No, the oil is not hot enough, so you need the oil to be hot. The oil is hot. You can just put the cumin seed and you can hear the sound. Afterwards, you can put the onion. I took half medium sized chopped onion. Slowly. If you put salt helps to cook it faster. You can put salt. And of course, for the taste, your turmeric, half teaspoon, your red chili powder. Of course, you can adjust it to your taste. You can use your spatula also. As you can see, you will start seeing the color of the onion. Now what you have to do, you have to put okra in it. Guys, if you feel the bhindi is getting sticky, you can even add a little bit of lemon juice to it, then it will not be sticking. And last but not the least is your tomato cashew puree. And if you would like, you can add a little bit of water to it. And guys, then you can leave it for 2-3 minutes and just leave the gas on medium heat for 2-3 minutes and it will be done. So guys, this will be the final product. You can serve it hot to your friends and family member. Enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching our video. If you like it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care.